Hello guys, welcome to our show. This is Romeo with Ration Machinery Plus Trading Limited. We are a leading supplier of replacement parts for combine harvesters, Claas, Deere, and so on. Now, we are in our sample room. There are hundreds of counterparts here, and I'd like to show them to you today. First, let's look at the knives. It's a spare part for the header knife of the combine, providing a clean cut of the stalks during operation at the part of the knife, minimizing loss of the green crops, especially overripe ones. These spring tines are a spare part for the auger of the header of the combine. This component serves for storing the mowed mass and delivering it to the transporter and afterwards to the compression timber. And these are knife guards, also called fingers, spare parts for the finger beam, which provides cutting of the stem of green crops during translational motion of the knife. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.